Hey everybody, and welcome to Regal Mobility, Central Florida's largest mobility superstore. Today we're unboxing a GoGo Sport 3-wheel mobility scooter from Pride Mobility. Let's get started. The first thing you'll find inside your box is an owner's manual and a quick start guide. We always recommend reading the quick start guide when you first get your new scooter. Next up, we have two armrests that are going to screw directly into your scooter's chair. We'll just go ahead and we'll set those aside for right now. Inside the box, you're also going to find a seat post, an off-board charger, a front basket, an 18 amp hour sealed lead acid battery, a high-back swivel chair, and of course, inside we have the GoGo Sport scooter frame itself. Now that we've gotten all this out of the box, check out our profile for part 2 and we'll show you just how easy it is to put this all together. See you there.